Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, senior Hurriyat leader Professor Abdul Ghani Butt has said that Kashmir is the core dispute between Pakistan and India, which is the main hurdle to peace between the two countries of the region. Professor Butt, talking to different delegations from Pulwama, Sopore and Patan that met him at his residence in Sopore, said that the Kashmiri people were rendering unprecedented sacrifices for a sacred cause. He said Pakistan has always supported the Kashmir freedom movement, particularly on diplomatic and political fronts, for which the Kashmiris are thankful to the country. Professor Butt maintained that the United Nations Security Council has the moral duty to put pressure on India to settle the long-pending Kashmir dispute according to the wishes of the Kashmiri people. The All-Parties Hurriyat Conference President for Jammu Province, Mir Shahid Salim, in a statement issued in Jammu, denounced the fragmentation of a disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir against the will of its people, deprivation of the political space to the resistance leadership, division of the social ethos on the basis of communal hatred, and breaking of the backbone of economy by imposing strict curfew and lockdowns in the garb of COVID-19 pandemic by Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government. He urged the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres to take cognizance of gross human rights violations being perpetrated by Indian troops in the occupied territory. Meanwhile, Jummah prayers could not be held at historic Jamia Masjid and other major mosques, shrines and Imam Bagas in Srinagar and other areas of the occupied territory due to restrictions imposed by the occupation authorities. Ummat-e-Islami held public meetings in Islamabad, Kolgam, Shopian, Pulwama, Ganderbal and other areas of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir today in connection with the martyrdom anniversary of noted scholar Dr. Qazi Nisar Ahmed. Speakers at these events reaffirmed the Kashmiris' resolve to accomplish the mission of their martyrs at all costs. Qazi Nisar was shot dead by unidentified gunmen at Dialgam in Islamabad on June 19th in 1994. The All-Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter held a demonstration outside the Faisal Mosque in Islamabad today against the Indian brutalities on the innocent people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. A protest demonstration under the aegis of Jammu and Kashmir Pasbani Hurriyat was also held at Gari Dupatta in Muzaffarabad today against the surge in Indian state terrorism in the occupied territory. On both the places, the protesters, while displaying banners and placards, chanted anti-India and pro-freedom slogans. The Jammu and Kashmir Self-Determination Movement International Chairman Raja Najabat Hussain and President of Youth Parliament of Pakistan, Ubaidur Rahman Qureshi, met the Deputy Speaker of National Assembly, Muhammad Qasim Khan Suri, in his chamber and briefed him about the work of two bodies on Kashmir dispute in Pakistan and abroad. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said that the suicide rate among Indian farmers rose by 40% after Modi became Prime Minister in 2014. The report said more than 500 farmers have died during the farmers' ongoing agitation since November last against 3 farm laws. It pointed out that in the last 25 years, over 300,000 farmers committed suicide due to anti-agriculture policies of the Indian government, and the country may soon earn the title of Farmer Suicide Capital of the World. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.